Everyone, this is Gabo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko muna sa reaction video ang Barda Compilation. But wait, tapusin muna natin tong podcast na to kasi nagugustuhan ko siya. So, totoo lang.
Para siyang road trip.
Maganda siya.
Para siyang girls trip, para
Girls
siyang
trip.
rough.
Maganda yung
90s.
podcast
Oo,
ko.
yan.
Panoorin
Para
mo
Para
ba?
siyang female version ng Hangover.
Ay, okay.
Ganun siya karayo.
Ang cute.
Yes.
Tapos
Okay.
barkada kayo.
All-out comedy siya, ma.
Kita ko
Comedy
naman,
talaga
mga kabi ko yung cast. Oo. Bet
Comedy
natin to.
pala talaga
Hindi,
siya.
ako excited ako kasi like yung feeling of parang shit squad.
Malala.
Oo eh.
At
Tapos so
yun
much.
talaga yung gusto namin i-relay na message na
Friends,
best
about
way to
friends.
heal is with your friends.
Yes.
Of course. Eto, because yun yung premise. Na personally kasi, may mga people pa rin naman na ginagawa yun, like saving
Yeah.
their virginity for marriage. And
Ay.
personally, I don't. Kasi alam mo anong worry ko doon?
Mm.
Parang, what if nga, tagal nyo? And then, di ba, you're saving that for that day.
Yeah.
Tapos malaman nyo na, parang di tayo.
Pala compatible.
Yeah. Sa'yo ba, ikaw, anong stance mo having played someone like Cherry with that?
Well, honestly, yun nga, having played a character like that, parang I gained more respect towards women who choose to do that.
Yes.
Who decide to do that. Kasi it's a choice. It's definitely a decision. Kasi
Tsaka hindi
ang
madali.
I mean, lalo na pag nasa isang relationship. Siguro mas madali kung single ka. Pero kapag nasa isang relasyon ka, ang hirap nun, che.
Control talaga,
Oo,
Che.
malala,
Control.
malala
Can't
talaga.
be me, but good for them.
Happy for you, idol. Ganon.
Ikaw yan.
Oo, kaya mo na yan. Yun. So, sobrang taas ng respeto ko. Pero, at the end of the day, our body, our choice.
Yeah, yeah.
So, I guess, goes with whichever path you take na respeto na if yung iba mas expressive.
Okay.
Mas expressive,
Sabay.
mas physical. Wow.
Yes.
Sa
Go
pag-show ng love.
Yeah.
Go rin, diba?
Yeah.
So, yun.
Tama, like parang, I guess,
Basta
pag,
ingat yan.
sa mga ganun naman talagang
Ingat.
usapin. Sa mga ganung usapin, parang hindi na, ang ano talaga nun, feeling ko ang conclusion talaga, may differences tayo and we shouldn't shame each other for
Yes.
those
There's
choices.
no wrong or right way to live. Yes.
Yeah. Pero hindi ko ma-imagine yung devastation nung sinave mo,
Manonood ka
te.
ba? Uy,
Manonood
invite ka sa
ako.
premiere night. In-invite sa podcast. Invite ka sa premiere night.
Ngayon na,
ako.
tara na.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa,
in-edit
wala pa. In-edit pa.
Hindi pa tapos
Wala,
yung
may
dubbing
offline na ba? Ito, Che,
Che.
given na yun yung nangyari kila Cherry, meron ka bang sabi mo kanina, sabi mo, the best way to explore or navigate a heartbreak really is with your friends. Totoo. Like, kaya meron kami inside joke ngayon ng friends ko na parang, ay, masarap tropahin to kasi madami siyang problema ngayon eh.
Correct.
So, marami kayong pag-uusapan. Ikaw ba, nagkaroon ka ng moment, like, just, parang fond memory with your friends when you're going through a heartbreak?
I will take that as two questions.
Sige,
if
go.
I may.
Go.
So first, when I am going through a heartbreak, I don't go straight to my friends. I go straight to my sister. Because I feel like she's my safe
Safe
place.
space, okay.
I'm looking up to her all my life. I feel like she's got it all figured out and even she has all the solutions to my problems. Parang gano'n. Gano'n ko siya ka-idol.
Older sister mo?
Older sister. 7 years old.
Wow,
Yes.
okay.
So sobrang, kahit nasa Chicago na siya, sobrang close namin. And lagi kami nag-uusap. Yun. Pero, once I'm done going through it, kasi as a Leo, parang
Leo.
feeling ko
Yes,
yung
as
mga
a
taong
Leo.
pinakakikitaan ko ng weakness ko talaga. And for some reason, yung friends ko, I want them to see me happy na.
Okay,
So-
ikaw ba yung type of friend na you don't...
Nag-isolate.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oo, ganun.
Alam mo, sorry singit. May mga
Sige.
ganyan na friends
Huwag ka
na...
mag-sorry, podcast mo
Kaya
to.
nga pala, podcast nga pala to. Hindi. Medyo, ang ano lang din kasi nun, minsan nakaka-worry yung friends na ganun, na parang, hey, we wanna be there for you. Minsan yung mga friends na ayaw nila nagpapakita nung
Yes.
vulnerable side nila sa
Yes.
friends nila. So, ganun ka.
Ako yung ganun. Pero, well, to all my friends out there, you don't have to worry about me.
Wow.
All it takes is a bottle of Chianti. Nagwawahin pala ang bakla.
Ay, pwede ba yun?
And then
Okay.
I'm okay na. And
Yeah.
alam naman nila yon. Actually, hindi man ako nag-open up agad sa kanila, pero nararamdaman nila eh. Pag tahimik ako, pag hindi ako nagpaparamdam sa kanila, sila yung nagme-message. Kunyari si Bianca, Umali.
Oh.
Isa sa mga closest friends ko yan. pag yan nakaramdam na parang may pinagdadaanan ako, huy, halika, gagawin kitang matcha, ganyan. Or
Ayan, cute
ganyan.
naman.
Or
Mga
halika,
simple gestures.
Oo, mga book day tayo, ganyan, ganyan. Pag sinabi ko sa kanya na, sige, planuhin natin yan. Ibig sabihin, I wanna see you, pero wait lang.
Okay.
Ano muna?
I need mo ng time for yourself.
Yes, oo. Mas solitude ang aking way of
Coping.
coping,
Solitude.
healing. ganyan.
Yes.
I love
To
that.
more compartmentalize my thoughts, ganyan. My next move, ganyan.
Yes. Ito bang sa Saving Cherry, since I think journey siya, tapos feeling ko, based lang sa
lang, girl,
based lang sa pagkakakwento
Sige
mo sa
lang,
akin, parang Cherry has been parang someone who was like ang taas ng self-control and then nag-decide to.
Well, actually, yung promise na yon of saving her Cherry for her husband was a promise to her mom.
Okay.
So, very sacred talaga yon.
Yes.
Kaya iba rin yung level of pain and hurt.
Yung betrayal.
Nung nabaliwala yung part na yon.
Ah,
Yun. Ganon siya. Kaya
Ew,
talagang
okay.
sa mga...
Well,
Okay.
dito, since feel ko story of friendship din siya.
Yes.
Ay, excited
And also,
ako.
Talaga,
story
no?
of friendship. Ano yung story?
Sure.
Story of friendship siya. Pero, matapang yung pelikula namin Don't get me wrong. We will confront marital issues. Kasi nga mag-uumpisa yung pelikula, kasal na ako.
Oo eh.
And I feel like yun yung most mature role ko to date. Kasi nga kasal na ako agad.
Yes.
Yung married life na agad yung character ko. It's also a question of, wala kayong pinto sa bahay, guys. Charot. It's a question of, if you caught your husband cheating on you, does the woman have the power to stay or leave? Ganyan.
Oh, right.
Yeah, the
Ngayon
power
lang.
of choice.
Yeah, the power of choice.
Yes.
Everything, so far, sa narinig ko, as in, sobrang laking factor nung choice.
Oo.
Kay Cherry. So ngayon lang nag-sink in sa akin, kasal na sila, wala rin divorce.
Yes.
Oh.
So medyo malalim rin talaga yung material namin. Pero
Right.
ang ganda nung approach ni Direk Ivan Payawal. Hi.
Hi, Direk. Yes.
Dahil all-out comedy yung approach namin. Pero ganun kalalim, ganun kaseryoso, ganun ka-relevant yung
All-out
issue na
comedy.
i-confront namin dito sa pelikulang to.
Mabigat din, mabigat siya na
Yes.
mabigat siya na usapin, especially for us women.
It's socially acceptable for women to stay in marriage
Yes.
despite everything kesa yung aalis
Alis.
ka
Yeah.
pag ayaw mo na. Bakit mas acceptable yun na magstay ka and work it out na para bang kasalanan mo?
Right, na parang bang, na parang expected ka to tolerate that.
Yes.
Sure.
Kesa yung expected ka to leave. Diba?
Pero may moment dun sa pagkabanggit mo ng may mga itatakal na yun, nag-click siya sa akin. Sabi ko, oo nga. Kasi syempre premise pa lang yung alam ko. And like what you said, yung approach kasi is very comedic.
Oo,
You would
comedy
not
talaga.
expect na sobrang daming layers na gustong i-explore nung film.
Exactly.
Ate, manonood ako. Super excited ako for you.
Anyway, so this is our for today's video from Barda. This is Kiko Vlogs. See you in the next one. Bye.